Spark Your Fire presents Toxic People and Stoicism, 6 Steps to Handle Difficult People with Ease. In today's fast-paced world, encountering toxic individuals is almost inevitable. Whether it's at work, in social settings, or even within our families, these interactions can drain our energy and affect our well-being. In this video, we will explore how the ancient philosophy of Stoicism can equip you with the tools to navigate these challenging relationships effectively. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control and to cultivate inner peace, making it an invaluable approach when dealing with difficult people. By understanding the principles of Stoicism, you can learn to respond rather than react, transforming potentially harmful encounters into opportunities for personal growth. Throughout this video, we will delve into practical strategies rooted in Stoic philosophy that will empower you to maintain your composure and emotional balance. From setting healthy boundaries to practicing empathy, these techniques will help you reclaim your peace of mind. So, if you're ready to take charge of your interactions and foster a more positive environment, stay tuned as we uncover the wisdom of Stoicism in handling toxic people. Step 1. Identify toxic behaviors and their impact. To effectively handle toxic people, it's crucial to first identify what constitutes toxic behavior. Common traits include manipulation, persistent negativity, and harsh criticism. These behaviors can create a toxic environment that undermines your self-esteem and overall well-being. Interacting with toxic individuals can take a significant emotional and mental toll. You may find yourself feeling drained, anxious, or even questioning your self-worth after these encounters. The constant exposure to negativity can lead to stress and burnout, making it essential to recognize these patterns early on. Self-reflection plays a vital role in this process. Take a moment to consider your interactions with others and identify any personal triggers that may arise when faced with toxic behavior. Are there specific comments or actions that provoke a strong emotional response? Understanding your reactions can empower you to respond more thoughtfully in the future. By acknowledging these toxic behaviors and their impact, you lay the groundwork for healthier interactions and a more peaceful mindset. This awareness is the first step toward reclaiming your emotional well-being and fostering more positive relationships. Step 2. Understand Stoic principles relevant to handling toxicity. To effectively manage interactions with toxic individuals, it's essential to grasp key Stoic concepts such as control, perception, and acceptance. Stoicism teaches us that we can only control our thoughts and actions, not the behavior of others. By focusing on what lies within our control, we can maintain our emotional stability even in challenging situations. Perception is another vital principle. Stoics believe that our interpretation of events shapes our emotional responses. By reframing negative interactions, we can reduce their emotional impact. For instance, instead of viewing a toxic comment as a personal attack, consider it a reflection of the other person's struggles. Acceptance is equally important. Stoic philosophers like Marcus Aurelius and Seneca emphasize the need to accept circumstances beyond our control. Marcus Aurelius often reminded himself that challenges are opportunities for growth, while Seneca taught that adversity can strengthen our character. By embracing these Stoic principles, you can cultivate resilience and maintain your peace of mind when faced with toxicity. This understanding empowers you to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively, fostering healthier interactions and emotional well-being. Step 3. Practice emotional detachment. Practicing emotional detachment is a powerful technique for managing interactions with toxic individuals. One effective method is to create mental boundaries that allow you to observe their behavior without becoming emotionally entangled. This can be achieved by reminding yourself that their actions are a reflection of their own issues, not a commentary on your worth. Mindfulness practices can also help you stay grounded during challenging situations. Techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or simply taking a moment to pause can create space between you and the emotional turmoil that toxic interactions often provoke. By focusing on your breath or your surroundings, you can regain clarity and composure. Additionally, journaling serves as an excellent tool for processing your feelings without reacting impulsively. Writing down your thoughts and emotions allows you to reflect on the situation and gain perspective. This practice can help you identify patterns in your interactions and develop healthier responses over time. By incorporating these techniques into your daily routine, you can cultivate emotional detachment, enabling you to navigate toxic relationships with greater ease and resilience. Step 4. Set healthy boundaries. Establishing clear boundaries with toxic individuals is essential for protecting your emotional well-being. Boundaries serve as a framework that defines what behaviors you will accept and what you will not. By setting these limits, you create a safe space for yourself, allowing you to engage with others on your terms. Assertive communication is key when expressing your boundaries. For example, you might say, "I need to take a break from this conversation," or "I cannot engage in discussions that involve personal attacks." These statements are direct yet respectful, making it clear that you value your well-being. It's important to remember that prioritizing your self-respect is not selfish, it's necessary. Toxic relationships can erode your confidence and happiness, so taking a stand is crucial. By asserting your boundaries, you not only protect yourself but also model healthy behavior for others. This encourages a more respectful dynamic in your interactions. Ultimately, setting healthy boundaries empowers you to reclaim your space and fosters a more positive environment, allowing you to thrive emotionally and mentally. Embrace this practice as a vital step in your journey toward healthier relationships. Step 5. Cultivate a supportive environment. Creating a supportive environment is crucial for maintaining your emotional health, especially when dealing with toxic individuals. Surrounding yourself with positive influences can significantly enhance your resilience and overall well-being. Positive relationships provide encouragement, understanding, and a sense of belonging, which can counterbalance the negativity from toxic interactions. Engaging with supportive friends and communities is a powerful way to foster this environment. Seek out those who uplift you, whether they are close friends, family members, or like-minded individuals in social groups. These connections can offer valuable perspectives and remind you of your worth, helping you navigate challenges with greater ease. Additionally, consider seeking out uplifting content and resources. This could include books, podcasts, or online communities that promote positivity and personal growth. Consuming inspiring material can reinforce your commitment to self-care and resilience, providing you with tools to handle toxicity more effectively. By intentionally cultivating a supportive environment, you create a buffer against negativity, allowing you to thrive emotionally. Embrace this step as a vital part of your journey toward healthier relationships and a more fulfilling life. Your well-being deserves to be prioritized, and a positive environment is key to achieving that. Step 6. Reflect and adapt your approach. Regular self-reflection is essential when navigating interactions with toxic individuals. Taking the time to evaluate your experiences allows you to gain insights into what worked well and what didn't. By reflecting on these interactions, you can identify patterns in behavior, both yours and theirs, which can inform your future responses. Adapting your strategies based on these reflections is equally important. Each encounter with a toxic person may require a different approach, depending on the context and your emotional state. Being flexible in your methods can help you respond more effectively and maintain your composure. For instance, if a particular boundary wasn't respected, consider adjusting how you communicate that boundary in the future. Remember, personal growth is a continuous journey. Embrace the idea that learning from your experiences is part of the process. As you reflect and adapt, you'll develop a deeper understanding of yourself and your needs, ultimately leading to healthier interactions. This ongoing commitment to self-improvement not only enhances your ability to handle toxicity, but also fosters resilience and emotional strength, empowering you to thrive in all areas of your life. Conclusion, key takeaways and encouragement for action. In this video, we explored effective strategies for handling toxic individuals through the lens of Stoicism. We began by identifying toxic behaviors and their emotional impact, emphasizing the importance of recognizing these patterns. Next, we delved into key Stoic principles such as control, perception, and acceptance, which can help you manage your emotional responses. We then discussed the significance of practicing emotional detachment and setting healthy boundaries to protect your well-being. Cultivating a supportive environment and regularly reflecting on your interactions are crucial steps in this journey. Remember, personal growth is an ongoing process, and applying these Stoic principles in your daily life can lead to greater resilience and emotional strength. As you move forward, I encourage you to take action by implementing these strategies and prioritizing your mental health. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who may benefit from these insights.